He sat over the bench in the park.
Over suggests above, not resting. On is correct. The right way is he sat on the bench in the park.
She walked over the street to buy milk.
Over suggests movement above something, not crossing it. Across is the right preposition for streets. She walked. Across the street to buy milk is the right way.
He threw the ball over on the table.
Over implies passing above something, not landing on it. Onto is the correct choice. So simply say, he threw the ball onto the table.
The meeting lasted over than 3 hours.
Over than is ungrammatical. Over alone already means more than. Therefore, the right way is the meeting lasted over 3 hours.
She is over happy with her exam results.
Over doesn't modify adjectives directly. The proper form is overly when intensifying an adjective, so we can say, she is overly happy with her exam results.
He is overconfident in his abilities.
Overconfident is one word. Splitting it misuses over. Therefore, simply write, he is overconfident in his abilities.
We danced over the party until midnight.
Over doesn't mark location. At is correct. Simply say, we danced at the party until midnight.
He is over smart to be fooled.
Over doesn't mean too. Wrong usage. The correct usage is, he is too smart to be fooled.
The teacher spoke over loudly to the class.
Over is unnecessary. Loudness doesn't need over, so simply say, the teacher spoke loudly to the class.
She jumped over quickly the fence.
Word order is wrong. Over should directly follow the object crossed. Therefore, say in this way, she jumped quickly over the fence.
Now it's your turn to solve this exercise. Each sentence contains a mistake with over. Take a moment, read them carefully, and try to correct them on your own. Pause the video if you need more time. Think carefully and don't rush. This is your practice moment. The more you think, the better you learn. Once you're done, check your answers in the description below. See you in the next lesson.